Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video you will see how to make a multicolor half moon bag. The link to get the pattern is in the description under the video. To make this tutorial you will need a 3 cm wide slide-in buckle, a 35 cm long zipper, a 120 cm long 3 cm wide strap, 3 different canvas fabrics for the outside, lightweight cotton fabric for the lining, mid-weight interfacing if your outer fabric is too light, 2 cm wide and 1 meter long bias tape, the pattern printed and cut. Fold the outer fabric and cut the pattern pieces as shown on the cutting layout. You can choose the color combination of your choice. Before removing the patterns, transfer the important markings to the fabrics. As for the outer fabric, cut the lining. Cut the seam allowances of the patterns for the outer pieces of the faces as well as the perimeter and the tabs. Then use the patterns to cut the interfacing. Interface the outer fabric pieces. Place the face pieces side by side. Mark the middles of each face piece. Place piece 1 on piece 2 right sides together matching the middles and stitch 1 cm from the edge. Place piece 3 on piece 4 right sides together matching the middles and stitch 1 cm from the edge. Place piece 3 on piece 2 right sides together matching the middles and stitch 1 cm from the edge. Finally, place piece 5 on piece 4 right sides together matching the middles and stitch 1 cm from the edge. Do exactly the same for the second face of the bag. Press open the seams and top stitch 2 mm either side of each seam. Trim any excess fabric. Fold the lining pocket in half, wrong sides together, and top stitch the top 5 mm from the edge. Place the pocket on the bag face lining, right sides together, and stitch all 3 sides at 5 mm from the edge. Then stitch down the middle to create 2 pockets. Mark the middles of the bag faces and those of the zipper. Place the zipper on the top of the outside of the bag face right sides together, and then place over the lining of the face right sides together well in the middle. Stitch 1 cm from the edge. Do exactly the same with the second side of the zipper and the second face of the bag. Clip the rounded edges of the top of the bag. Place the pieces right side out and top stitch on both sides of the zipper 2 mm from the edge. Pin the lining with the outer fabric and stitch all around 5 mm from the edge. Trim any excess zipper. Place an outer fabric tab on the zipper on the outer side, right sides together, and the lining fabric tab on the zipper on the lining side, right sides together. Stitch 1 cm from the edge. Do the same with the second side. Flip right side out. Pin the lining with the outer fabric and stitch all around the tabs 2 mm from the edge. Cut 2 pieces of webbing, one 20 cm long and one 100 cm long. Slide the 20 cm long piece of webbing into the sliding buckle. Fold it in half and place the webbing on the tip of the bag. Place a long strap on the second tip of the bag respecting the middles. Stitch 5 mm from the edge. Fold the lining and the outer fabric of the bag's perimeter right sides together and stitch the fold 1 cm long, 1.5 cm from the center. Flatten the fold by folding the fabric on either side of the center. Place the outer fabric bag tabs right sides together on the tips of the outer fabric perimeter respecting the middles. Stitch 1 cm from the edge. Do the same with the lining. Press the seams. Place the perimeter lining on the outside, wrong sides together, and stitch all around 5 mm from the edge. Open the zipper. Place one side of the perimeter on the edge of the bag face, right sides together matching the markings. Pin the second end of the perimeter to the second face of the bag, right sides together matching the markings. Pin the tabs together. Stitch all around 1 cm from the edge. Fold one end of the bias inward 1.5 cm. Place the bias on the seam of one face of the bag without reaching the tabs. Cut the bias overlapping by 1.5 cm and fold the end inwards. Stitch. Do the same with the second face of the bag. Clip the rounded edges of the bag. Turn the bias over and machine or hand stitch using an invisible stitch. Clip the corners of the bag. Flip the bag right side out. Place the free side of the strap in the sliding buckle, then fold the end 2 cm towards the back and stitch in the middle. Your bag is ready. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments or to message me on my social media.